super chats and memberships, different things you unlock as you get monetized on YouTube. And these are things that, I think, if I'm correct if I'm wrong, but I think you get them when you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours, but it's not all at once. You kind of like unlock these abilities little by little as the weeks go by. So maybe just some quick tips about how to leverage these two things. First, we should probably explain what they are, but then also quick tips on how to leverage them, because this is another way to make money on YouTube itself.
Yes, super chats is the first thing that you're likely to come across, whether you happen to be in that 1,000 subscribers club or anywhere else. Basically, on the right-hand side of any YouTube video, there is a ongoing chat, especially on live streams, which scrolls manically if you happen to be on the vidIQ live stream, where people say inappropriate things or memes or that kind of thing, right? And there's a little dollar symbol. That dollar symbol allows you to choose a specific amount of money, and that message is then flashed up on a live stream. Now, if you donate a small amount, that message can be highlighted, and if you donate a large amount, it is pinned to the top of the comment section for an extended period of time. Now, this is a good way to show support to the creator, or on a vidIQ live stream, I believe they donate it to charity. So this is your opportunity to integrate your community, your loyal, die-hard community, into your income stream. Now, some people already do this on things like Twitch, in which, it's part of the whole subscribe model. And there's a lot of things that YouTube have looked at that they try and want to bring over, right? But super chats is a good way. It's like a tip, as in like, thank you very much. Here you go, have some pennies. Or some channels, because they are so popular, super chats is the only way to rise above the noise, to get your question seen. Now, if you're sat there in a vidIQ live stream and you're donating money for a super chat, it's more likely to be seen than the 50 billion things scrolling alongside the video. So maybe I could do a live stream as a YouTube educator, and I could invite people to donate for super chats to be like answered and placed at the top of the questions that are being put through. A very good example of this is Nick Nimmin and Dee Nimmin, that run weekend-based live streams, and they were 3 to 4 hours long, and they would sit there and they were just non-stop Q&As where they're continuing to racking money. Some people take advantage of that to build that community, and therefore they can go through that way. Some people use it for donations. PewDiePie, for example, when he's on live streams for charity, he'll hint and go that. Jacksepticeye is another one that goes down that route. Now, you can swing that way, or there's a new feature called the thanks, which is a kind of a flat out tip.
Mm-hmm.
Here you go, here's a couple of dollars. Now, thanks is in beta. I believe it's being played about with anyone over 10,000 subscribers. I may be wrong. And it's got a little heart that's underneath the video. And that's not just for for live streams, it's for any video. So if you flick through, if you've taken 3 days to figure out how to loop a YouTube video and you really want to thank me, there's a little thanks heart, and you click the thanks and you're like, brilliant, wonderful. Here, go buy yourself a coffee, Alan. Right? So those are more static. So you can go to any video within reason. It'll be rolled out across the platform when they finally get there. Now, these can also, if you're actively going down that route, you could hint that it's down there. You could suggest that it's down there. And alongside the super chats, you've got your super stickers, which are the same kind of thing. They're kind of like memes and GIFs, and I'm clearly a boomer, right? And you can choose the thumbs up or the stupid face, and it does the same. The thing comes up. Not to mention that in the long run, you can build a community enough to push them towards the join function, where it's gated behind their. They then pay you a monthly fee, very much like Twitch.
These are memberships now.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, memberships. And you can not only post community only posts on your community tab, but you can have community only based membership videos that are displayed on your YouTube channel feed, but can't be accessed by anyone but the members in themselves. These could be private Q&As, these could be dedicated videos, this could be early access to content, whatever you wish. But YouTube are deliberately giving you additional ways to make money, because the more money you make, they do as well. But you can implement these as a way to build hardcore fans that continue to not only support you, but then you can then use those funds to give them more of what they actually want in return. You've always got to remember that it's two ways, because if they don't care about you, they're not going to like donate to you. So you've got to give them something. You need to lead with value, right? Give, right? As Gary Vaynerchuk says, it's like jab, 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 then a right hook. So if you give them all the value in the world, then sooner or later they'll feel guilty enough that they'll pay for your coffee.